Hi and welcome to this special video, and what I want to do is just show you the Gold Pass membership area as it is at the moment. I've had a few questions about what is included, and so let's just go right ahead and do that. So the first thing we do, we join obviously, and then if we want to log in we need to click on login, and I've just created a dummy name here called example member, and like so, going to log in. Now this page is almost identical to what you would see on the actual Gold Pass page, but what I've done is just changed some of the names of the coupon codes, etc. So let's just go through quickly what's included, and then we'll go back in some detail. So we've got training materials, basic, intermediate and advanced, and basic and intermediate are completed, and I'm just adding more stuff to advanced as I go along. And one of the things about markplex is that there are a lot of tutorial and training materials on the site, but they're not in a particularly logical order. Well, what the training materials do is they create new materials, but they also refer to some of the existing stuff in a more logical framework. So another really important part of the site is the Q&A page, and what I do is encourage people to ask me questions, and I then include some answers, and I'll show you that page in a moment. Free downloads. Every 3 months we have 2 programs or tutorials that are available for download that I choose. Currently this period will end on June 30th, and then there'll be 2 more, and you get those just by simply clicking on the downloads. Downloadable product coupon. We'll demonstrate use of this in a moment, but if you're a Gold Pass member, you're entitled to a 20% discount off any downloadable programs or tutorials on markplex.com. What you do is when you add a program or tutorial to your shopping cart, you then add the coupon code to get your discount, and you can see your discount right there in the shopping cart. This is just a dummy code, this won't work, but if you go to the actual page, having joined Gold Pass, you'll be able to see the real code. If you're a Gold Pass member, you're also entitled to a 20% discount off any programming services, provided that you tell me you're a Gold Pass member. And then you have the ability to make suggestions for future tutorials or programs. And I really encourage this. I really find it useful when people give me some ideas for tutorials or programs. Can't necessarily do them, but it's great to get the ideas. And then finally, premium access to tutorials, and I'll also demonstrate an area of that in a moment. In fact, basically what it is in some tutorials I will create a little member protected area. If you're a Gold Pass member, you get access to more materials. Okay, so let's just go through and pick at random intermediate trade station, and each training session basically consists of possibly some explanatory text, followed by a short video similar to the videos you see on the rest of the site, but unique to Gold Pass, followed by the program. And this you can just copy and paste it into the TradeStation development environment to create the program that I'm describing in the video very, very quickly. And you'll see a number of materials here in intermediate, and the same goes for the basic and the advanced, most of which will include the video and the code that you can copy and paste. Okay, so if we then go back to the Q&A page, and again this is people asking me questions, they could be anything, just going through here. Please explain the pivot function, question about tutorial 7, explain how to create a strategy. Will take data from multiple chart time frames. And again, in each case, what I generally do, there may be some explanatory text. I generally include a video, which are similar to some of the other videos that you'll see on this site, and then if appropriate I will also include some code program for you to copy and paste into a program. Okay, free downloads I mentioned. Again, every 3 months you get 2 programs. Downloadable product coupon, I mentioned this. This is just a dummy coupon, but I'll show you how that works in a moment. And discount off programming, preferential ability to make suggestions, and premium access to new tutorials. And what I'm going to do is just demonstrate that by, first of all, I'm just going to log out of Gold Pass. So I'm logged out. I'm going to go to free tutorials and we're going to look at tutorial 88. And if we scroll down, you'll see that somewhere in the program we get this thing. If you're a Gold Pass member, I've included a copy of this demonstration program below. Make sure that you're logged in to see the following content, and you can see here the content is for members only. So if we were to go in and actually log in back into Gold Pass, so let me just go ahead and do that. Okay, let's just make sure that we logged in successfully. Okay, we are logged in. And what I'm going to do now is go straight back to free tutorial 88. And if we go down now, we should see that rather than that little area that said this is only available to Gold Pass, we can now see the program, which again you could copy and paste and experiment with as part of this tutorial. Okay, so the final thing I want to demonstrate very quickly is just how to use the discount codes. So say for example we were interested in program 1, we'd click on that, add to cart, and then you'll see here enter coupon code. What I'm going to do is use an actual coupon code here. I'm just going to blur it out. And I'm going to apply that coupon code. And you'll see now that the program has been discounted. Discount applied successfully. Total discount $14.99. So those discounts can really add up. Anyway, hopefully you found this useful and you might consider Gold Pass.